Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A34. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Add to Wallet button and now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and now select Loyalty Program, for example, Ocean Poland. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually, tap Done, Add to Wallet and it's set. In the end, let's select Gift Card and similar to Loyalty Card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet button. And that's basically it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.